Hey, what's up? In this video, I will show you how to make $510 per day on Clickbank. This is for you if you want to get started on Clickbank fast compared to the slow other ways of making money online. And this will be automated, just like a drill. Real passive income for months you can be making with the methods I'm going to teach you inside this video. So stay tuned, and even more passive income to come, so you can walk on the beaches of the world and have a home-based business. Here we are at Clickbank, and Clickbank is an awesome marketplace for a ton of affiliate offers and affiliate products. And John Crestani's one is what we want to look at here. Okay, he has a very high ticket, high converting product due to the fact he has a webinar and he's optimized everything about his whole funnel and his product and everything. Okay, and people promote it due to the fact of that high commission, baby. So here we are. I mean, as you can see, you can promote it in multiple countries. You got upsells, and you even got recurring and all these different things. So if you go to the affiliate page, you're going to see a bunch of things that will help you promote the offer. Okay, and by the way, I plan on having multiple of my courses on Clickbank for you guys to promote in the future. So stay tuned for that. All right, so if you scroll down, I mean, as you can see, there's tons of affiliate help here, tons of content you can use, and that's why this is a good offer for people to promote, and not run away crying. But if you were, you don't even need to show your face either, okay? But you could totally do a YouTube channel and talk about affiliate marketing and then link to that. But I would recommend add bonuses. Your own bonuses, like your own course or whatever, and you'll be making racks. And you add that to, if they purchase, they just show proof, and then you give them the bonuses and stuff like that. So basically, he's got a bunch of videos you can run as ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads. I would definitely recommend YouTube ads over Facebook ads for this, due to the fact that most of the time when people are on YouTube, it's just different compared to Facebook. Okay, when people are on Facebook, they're there for short term. When they're on YouTube, they're on for long term. Just different mindsets. You could even set up a blog and rank for the keyword John Crestani's super affiliate system or whatever it's called. Okay. He also has email swipes and all these things. Okay, so that's some really good news for you. Tons of videos you can use as ads and all that stuff. Super powerful. Sorry about my voice. I am sick today, but oh well, I will get better. So if you want to make money online, you basically target that niche, that keyword, that whole entire sector, and you run the video ads provided, and you could split test them, and you run them, and then you send them to your bridge page, and you send them to the offer. Okay, so that stands for bridge page, the B. And in the bridge page, you can use his own content. You can take the images, the copy, the videos he uses, all this stuff. You can even add your own bonuses and bring that across in the bridge page. Now, that's really powerful. Also, here's the other thing. To be profitable, where it's worth it, you get paid out like $510, right? So you could spend $400 and get a conversion, and you make a profit of $100 every time. And you just keep recycling that money. So you can spend quite a bit because it's high ticket. So that's really good. Also, if you wanted, you could do a tripwire offer in front of it all. You could do a tripwire offer with ClickFunnels, have your own kind of ebook, then have a bump, an order bump, then have upsells. And then in the back end of all of that, push them to the John Crestani's course, which is a very, very recommended method for this sort of thing. Okay, and you could be crushing it doing it like that. And in any affiliate offer in general, if you do a bridge page, is breaking even in front. I mean a funnel, breaking even in front. It's called the break-even funnel. So this is Wix, and it's free, and you can use Wix to make your landing pages. So if that's what you want to do, you could do that. And you literally just have buttons, some content. You model after his sales page. That's all you have to do. Just model success. He has mastered his copy. You don't need to go out there and try to, master that copy yourself and come up with it. You have it. You have it provided already, so you can just copy it. So now we want to get our link. So you press promote, you generate your hop link, you press copy, and boom, this is what you're going to promote to that landing page. And you can look at all this stuff down below, and you can see and understand more about it. It's pretty important to have, and you could just literally link to it for your privacy policy, your terms, and your disclaimers. And so now you know how to do that, and you don't need to make it your own. You could just link to his or the vendor. Whoever owns the product or whatever you're promoting, you can literally use their disclaimers and link to those. Not very important, but just something you got to understand. Your landing page can be super simple. It doesn't have to be crazy. It could just be button and some copy. So after that, now we're going to go and promote it and send traffic. So you just do a generic one. Always do the gear icon, very important. And then you just select what you want to do. You can name it whatever you want. Do daily, okay, and then set whatever your budget is. And I usually do $100 a day with any campaign I ever do, but let's do that. Max cost per view, and then this right here, I don't like to have it on that. I also don't like to have it in search results. It depends on the type of content you're advertising. You really just want to do in-stream ads for this. But we can do United States, anywhere it's available, this offer, and wherever it allows. You can do whatever location in the world. So, all right, so now we just go ahead and figure out what the audience is. It's mainly make money online. That's what the audience mainly is. So you basically go and look on YouTube for make money online content, and you can advertise right in front of that audience who is interested in this type of offer. A certain percentage will always buy whatever it is. You just gotta get in front of them. So Franklin Hatchet is in that niche, so you can advertise on his YouTube channel. So you just type in Franklin Hatchet. You could just copy his name if you want and then paste it, but you could also do his URL. And then you go and look for more people and more people and more people. So all these channels, very big channels in the make money online space. Kevin David, very, very big. Promote him. So you could just do placement. Also, you could just do keywords. You could literally type as your keyword, make money online, and any content across the whole entire YouTube platform that fits make money online keyword, boom, you're going to get right in front of them. So you can do placements, you can do keywords. I recommend keywords. I'm just showing placements for now. This is the ad you can run. You could look for more, but you just copy that video URL, paste it, boom. You can run that as the ad and then use your landing page as the link. And it's free to do your landing page. You don't need to pay for hosting your landing page at all. So this is a great method. And you can make $510. Woo! So you could do mobile, you could do desktop, doesn't matter. Just do the learn more button. Do home business training. You could just call it whatever you want, really. There's a max character limit, so you don't want to go over the limit, obviously. And you can name it whatever you want. I usually just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 type thing. Then you can run it the next day, right in the morning. Okay. But yeah. Now you press save and continue. And boom, it's live. It's ready to go. And you can start running traffic. And if you're making more money than you're spending in advertising, then you're profitable. Okay. So just look at your Clickbank account. And if you're making money, baby, you're making money. All right, here's how I want you to view any online advertising, spending your money, make more money type method. You spend $1, and if you make anything over $2 back, keep going. If you spend $1, make anything over $1 back, you should keep going. Okay? And you just keep scaling, scaling, scaling. You could even spend $1, make 4, 8, 12, etc. back. Okay? And you just keep going, optimizing, scaling, seeing what's, performing the best, and you scale that. And that's how you make money online. And this is how you especially make money with Clickbank. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out more videos. Check out the links in the description. Subscribe if you're new. I have a lot of great content coming out and a lot of past content you can look at. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.